you're fucked. Alright, go. Supposed to get my name or something?
This is Eddie Hyatt and Sam Segala.
Hello.
And Sam was our rep for getting a new roof at our house last summer after the hailstorm. So, Eddie, what did you think of Sam as a rep?
Well, he's very knowledgeable. He got up on my roof, didn't fall off. Took a good GoPro, showed me where the damage was, told me, helped me pick out a better shingle that wouldn't get damaged as much. Very professional, got it done. Set up the crew to get it here. I was very happy with Cenco Roofing.
Awesome. Thank you.
And Sam, how do you like working with Cenco?
I love Cenco. Cenco is a wonderful company to work for. Just a lot of freedom, a lot of helping out people that really, really need your help. Main thing about this business is just understanding that you are the bridge between people and their last desperation of hope when it comes to getting their roof fixed or any sort of insurance claims like that. And I love to help people out and get that done for them.
Well, thank you both.
Thank you.